Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, I'm gonna share something funny, but it could be proven important too. If you live if you are living in a rental property and you're planning to move to some other place, there could be various reasons, like you want to save money or something. One important factor that you must consider, based on my experience, let me tell you what has happened and why I'm making this video. So for my legal basement, tenants are gonna come starting first next month. So today they contacted me. Why did they contact? They were having some trouble. Like, we are still around a week away. So they called and they said that they have a trouble. I asked what exactly. They have already paid last month rent and signed the agreement. So they told me about their car. They have like a good car, no doubt, but because they were speaking to their insurance company about changing the address to my location, the insurance company, their current insurance company, told me that's gonna spike their payment by around $200 a month, and they were really devastated. Well, to be honest, insurance premiums are going up for everyone. It's not just about them, for everyone it is going up. So I'm not surprised with this, because I also have to go through the same pain. In a few months I will also be in the same situation, and many are already in that situation. So I'm not surprised with that. But like, now they're asking me what to do. They did not say that they do not want the rental altogether, but they are looking for various other options too. Like, probably they will sell their existing car, they will get another car that costs less in insurance. So the lesson here is, if you're planning to switch your rental or move somewhere else, consider insurance costs too. Like, try to speak to an advisor, try to speak to a company before you finalize a rental. Find out what's gonna be the cost, okay, of the renewal. You don't want to get penalized for something that you can have a very difficult time later. Okay, so yeah, check your car insurance cost too, because even within the city, like, she is currently living in the same city where I live, and just a few kilometers away from my home, but just within few kilometers such a huge difference can be made. So make sure you check that. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.